Hello student. Hello student. Welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here bigger and smaller. Topic number first, shapes and space. Bigger and smaller. See student, here let us see which object, which ring is a bigger and which ring is a smaller here. Same student, yellow ring is a bigger and blue ring is a smaller. I am correct? Yellow ring is a bigger and blue ring is a smaller. Next one, here is two ball, one like a green apple and one is a there our surrounding. What is this? See which is the bigger and which is the smaller. This ball is a bigger and this one is a smaller. Understand bachcho? Let us see box. We see here a box. We see here a box. Which is the big and which is the small? Which is the big and which is the small? This one is a bigger and this is a smaller box. Understand bachcho? Now tiffin also we saw here. Let's see here tiffin. Which is the bigger and which is the smaller? This one is a bigger tiffin and this one is a smaller tiffin. Now we see the textbook. Open your textbook, page number 3. Here given you hippopotamus and dog. Hippopotamus and dog. Hippopotamus is a bigger, dog is a bigger. Hippopotamus is bigger. What is the question? Tick the bigger. So tick there on hippopotamus. Tick the smaller. Leaf and banana leaf. Which is the smaller? Flower leaf is a smaller and banana leaf is a bigger. Here, squirrel and cow. Squirrel and cow is there. Which is the bigger? Cow is a bigger, means squirrel is a smaller. So tick there on squirrel. Tick the smaller tire. Two friends run up their tire. Who's small? Whose tire is a smaller? In t-shirt, banyan. Who wear boy t-shirt? That boy's tire is a bigger. Banyan wear. That boy's tire is a smaller. This one is a smaller, na? So tick there. Now see here biggest and smallest. Biggest and smallest. Now we see here 3 rings. Now we see here 3 rings. Now we have 3 rings. So let's find out on this biggest which object is biggest and which object is a smallest. Let's tell us fast which object is the biggest and which object is the smallest? Say me fast. Tell us me fast. Oh, right. Green ring is the smallest and blue ring is the biggest. Good. Now also, see here. Now also, here also 3 ring, again one time. Which is the smallest and which is the biggest? Find out, student. Find out. Orange is the smallest and blue is the biggest. Now we have 3 bottles. We have 3 bottles. Now see, which is the biggest, which is the smallest? Blue color bottle, black color bottle या white color, transparent color bottle. Which is the biggest? Blue color bottle is the biggest. Which is the smallest? Transparent या white color bottle is the smallest. Now let us see the textbook, page number 4. Page number 4. Take the smallest tree. Here they given you 3 trees. Take the smallest tree. See here which is the smallest. First one is the smallest. Tick there. Take the biggest animal. Cat, dog and elephant. Which is the animal is the biggest? Animal is the biggest. Take the smallest fruit. Take the smallest fruit. Mango, cherry and watermelon. Which is the smallest here? Cherry. Tick on there. Take the biggest bubble. One boy do the bubble. Which is the biggest? Small, smaller, smallest, biggest. अंडरस्टैंड हुआ आपको कैसे पकड़ना है? स्मॉलर एंड बिगर, बिगेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन वी लर्न हियर टॉप एंड बॉटम. टॉप एंड बॉटम. लेट अस सी हियर. हियर इज वन chair. Here is one chair. Okay. Here is one chair and here see there one ring is there top side. See, ring is there top side and bottle is there bottom side. Bottle is there bottom side. See, ring is there top side, bottle is there bottom side. See there, chair's top side one box is there and chair bottom side ring stand is there. All of you see what is in top side? Correct, box is top side. And what is it? Bottom side, ring stand is there. Let us see page number 5. Top and bottom. See, ladder's top side, who is there? This one boy on the top side, and ladder's bottom side, this one boy is there. Seen on the tree, who is the top side? Bird is there top side and cat is there bottom side. Understand बच्चों? Cat is there bottom side, bird is there top side. Tick the pot on the top. Observe this picture. Okay, here is pot. He kept on one by one on one. Okay, which pot is top level, means toppest? Yeah, which pot keep on top side? Which one? This one. Tick there. अंडरस्टैंड ना बच्चों? अब देखेंगे. Take the animal at the bottom of the stairs. Of a stairs. Here stairs you give you. And take their animal at the bottom. Cat is a stairs top side and dog is a stairs bottom side. So who is their bottom side? Dog. Tick on there. समझ में आया बच्चों? ओके. Nearer and further. Nearer and further. Okay. See here. Chair is there. Which object is nearer for the chair? Ring stand या box? Which object is there nearer? Same answer. Oh, good. Ring stand is a nearer for the chair and box is a further for the chair. Let us see here. Here also chair. One bottle and ring stand is there. One bottle and ring stand is there. Which is the nearer? Bottle is a nearer and ring stand is a further. All of you understand how to recognize nearer and further? Which object is nearby? That place you call the nearer, and which object have long distance you call that further. समझ में आया बच्चों? Let us see textbook page number 6. Page number 6. Nearer and further. Tick the bird nearer at home. This is home. Which is bird is nearer? Pink color bird is nearer to home. समझ में आया? अब आगे का आंसर आप लोगों को देना है. हाँ, टिक द कैट फर्दर फ्रॉम द ट्री. टिक द cat further from the tree. This one tree, here is mouse, here one cat, here one cat. Further means the object have long distance. Which have long distance? This cat. So which is the further? Which cat is the further from the tree? Semi answer. Yellow color. Correct. Tick there. समझ में आया? Now also see here. Now also see here is one chair, one bottle, box and ring stand is there. Which is the nearest and which is the farthest? Which is the farthest? Tell me. There is from the chair. Which is the which object is near and which is the furthest? Okay. Nearest which is the bottle is the nearest to chair and ring stand is the furthest to chair. Understand? Let us see here. to the chair. Which object is nearest? Bag. Correct. And which object is the furthest? Ball. Correct. Understand हुआ बच्चों nearest and furthest? Let us see the textbook. Nearest and furthest. This is a tree and there is a swing. A boy is nearest to the swing and girl is furthest from the swing. Understand? Take the puppy furthest from the tree. This is your tree. Which puppy is the furthest from the tree? This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Correct. This puppy is the furthest from the tree. Tick there. Tick the tree nearest to the bird. This one is near to the bird. Bird is here. This one tree is here. This one is nearest to the bird. No. This one also no. This one also yes. So tick there. समझ में आया बच्चों? आज का होमवर्क क्या है? बिगर स्मॉलर, बिगेस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट, टॉप बॉटम, नियरर फर्दर, नियरेस्ट फर्देस्ट. Also you solve, complete their textbook and you do the activity in your home, which is go their stairs, which object, one object keep on top side, one object keep on bottom side. You conclusion there, your friend home. You have two friends. Which friend home is there you have nearer, or which friends home from your home farthest? Okay, you can do the activity that type. Okay, next video we learn there on, under, above, below. Okay, thank you. And regularly behind the table. Okay.